welcome to the new session. In the earlier session, you have learned about the government, its role, and what are the different levels of government, such as central, state, and local self-government. In these sessions, you are going to learn the detailed information of local self-governments from the topic Village Panchayat from class 6th Social Studies. Learning outcomes. You will be able to understand the functions of local self-government. Know the formation of Gram Panchayat. Know the role of local self-government in our lives. Keywords. Local self-government. Government jurisdictions below the level of the state. Gram Sabha. General body in a Gram Panchayat. Election. An election is a process in which people vote to choose a person or group of people to hold an official position. Village functionaries. The employees in the Gram Sachivalayam. Public amenities. The facilities provided by the government. Check the concept map. Do you know local self-government in India refers to governmental jurisdiction below the level of the state. Article 40 of the Constitution of India addresses local self-governance. The Parliament of India made 2 amendments. 73rd Amendment creating local self-government in rural areas and 74th Amendment creating local self-governments in urban areas in 1992. In a village, whether it is roads, hand pumps or street lights, they belong to people as they are public amenities. Let us understand who provides these amenities. For this purpose, we have panchayats in the rural areas. Village level. We learned about democratic government and the need to ensure participation of all people in public affairs. To provide all the public amenities, there are 2 organs working at village level. They are Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Gram Sabha. It consists of all voters in a panchayat. Gram Panchayat. It consists of sarpanch and ward members in panchayat. This is the general body at village level. The Gram Sabha consists of all the voters in a village. This is the symbol of direct democracy. The Gram Sabha is expected to review the functioning of the Gram Panchayat and participate in taking decisions about village welfare. It is presided over by the president or sarpanch of the village. Gram Panchayat is formed with Sarpanch and ward members. It is formed through elections. It is presided over by the president or Sarpanch of the village. Formation of Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayats are formed through elections. These elections are conducted by State Election Commission. Voters list. All residents of a village who are 18 years old or above have to enroll their names in the voters list. Usually, a booth level officer BLO visits every house to check whether there are any changes in the list. They also invite suggestions for additions or deletions to the list. Wards. A village is usually divided into a few wards, streets or colonies, in such a way that all the wards have almost equal number of voters. Each ward elects one member to the village panchayat called ward member. This ensures that people from all localities of the village are represented. A panchayat will have at least 5 ward members and may have as many as 21 ward members. Any person who is 21 years or above can contest the election. Reservations in Gram Panchayats. It is often very difficult for women to get elected as ward member or sarpanch. These bodies are therefore dominated by men. As a result, the needs and views of half the population go unrepresented. Keeping these problems in mind, it has been decided by the Parliament that at least 1/3 of all Panchayat ward members and sarpanches will be women, which are reserved for them. In few states, it extended to 50%. Similarly, there is a reservation policy for SCs, STs and backward classes to ensure that persons from all sections of the society are represented in the panchayat. Thus, panchayats function as representative institutions of all people in the rural and tribal areas. Elections. Elections to Gram Panchayats take place once in every 5 years. During these elections, every voter casts 2 votes. One to elect the ward member and another to elect the sarpanch. The person who gets the maximum votes is declared elected. Sarpanch. The sarpanch is the head of the Gram Panchayat. He has the responsibility of implementing all the decisions of the panchayat and looking after the day-to-day functions of the panchayat. The sarpanch is also responsible for the income and expenditure of the panchayat. As such, the sarpanch has a lot of responsibility. In many villages, we see some active sarpanches who have changed the fate of villages. Up-sarpanch. The sarpanch and ward members elect one of the ward members as the deputy or up sarpanch. The up sarpanch acts in the absence of the sarpanch. The functions of Gram Panchayat. The village panchayats are responsible for provision of public amenities like the construction and maintenance of water sources, roads, drainage, school buildings, and other common property resources. Levying and collecting local taxes. Executing government schemes related to generating employment in the village. Source of funds for the panchayat. Collection of taxes on houses, marketplaces, etc. Grants in aid and loans from the state governments, Zilla Parishad and Mandal Parishad. Donations from local people, secretary and executive officers. Each panchayat also has a secretary who is a government employee. His or her job is to maintain accounts and minutes of the meetings. Major panchayats which have high income also have an executive officer appointed by the government. Andhra Pradesh Panchayat Raj Act 1994 established 3-tier local self-governments in rural areas. They are Gram Panchayat at village level, Mandal Praja Parishad at Mandal level, and Zilla Praja Parishad at district level. A Mandal Parishad includes 20 to 40 Gram Panchayats and is a part of the Zilla Parishad, which covers all Mandal Parishads in the district. Mandal Parishad. Mandal Parishad territorial constituencies members, MPTCs, are directly elected. Some are nominated. MPTCs elect a president and vice president indirectly. Zilla Parishad. Zilla Parishad territorial constituencies members, ZPTCs, are also directly elected. Some are nominated. ZPTCs elect a chairman and vice chairman indirectly. Both parishads coordinate local activities, approve plans, and allocate funds. Do you know? Rajasthan is the first state that implemented local self-government in 1959. It adopted the Panchayat Raj system, first in India, followed by Andhra Pradesh in the same year. In this video, you have seen about the functions of local self-government, the formation of Gram Panchayat, the role of local self-government in our lives. Thank you.